Very nice 2-story home that's move-in ready. Some big updates in 2008 that include adding on the master bathroom, Pella windows, French doors and sliding door, sprinkler system, fenced yard and a huge 409 square feet composite deck. 5 years ago, new hardwood floors, kitchen cabinets, countertops and vinyl tile in the full bathroom upstairs. New heat pump 3 years ago. All new LG stainless steel kitchen appliances 6 months ago. New thrasher system with a 25-year transferable warranty was installed 2 months ago. Seller will be installing a new roof with a complete tear-off this spring when weather permits. Hurry! This great family home won't last long on the market.